Hi everyone, welcome on board. We're in the engine room of an Ocean Alexander 46 Flybridge Cruiser, and next to me on my left and right you can see that we have here two FPT NEF 450 marine engines. These engines here were repowered to replace two Iveco 8361 marine engines, and the NEF engines are a great choice of engine if you do have a pleasure vessel anywhere from 30 foot up to approximately 60 foot. They're a great option as a repower engine. Here we are at the helm on this Ocean Alexander 46. You can see here we have the two digital control panels for the FPT marine engines, port and starboard, and we have the flexible electronic control throttle head. These ones here are the 4-inch digital screen. We have of course progressed to a 6-inch touch screen at present, but they are a very good panel and they provide all the parameters that you need to see. So quite simply, we turn the key to the on position, we cycle through, and it brings up parameters showing how the engines are operating, including listing out any faults that might be on the engines at present. Of course they're there because the engines aren't running. The flexible throttle head you see here, you can see has gone into immediate command on this station here by the yellow light flashing, means it's in warm-up mode, and the two green lights indicate that we're currently in neutral on both gearboxes. And then all we have to do to start, port started, starboard started. In regards to the flexible throttle head, when we want to free rev the engines, if the yellow light is flashing, the engines will rev up on their own without the gears engaging. You can hear them there, just nicely sitting at around about 900 RPM. And then when hold down the yellow button, the yellow light goes out, then you're ready to go in gear. Righto, so we're up on the flybridge here on this Ocean Alexander 46. You can see we have the same FPT digital control panels. These ones are the flybridge variants. You notice the difference. No key, and we have a start and a stop button. Therefore, to operate, you have to have the key on downstairs. You can see we have a few faults showing because the engines aren't running at present. And to start the motor is as simple as the start button, and we're away. Same again on the port side, start button, and we're away. You can hear up here, we can barely even hear the engines at idle speed. That's how smooth the NEF 450 marine engines are. We also have the second station at the flexible marine throttle controls here. You can see we aren't in command on this station at present, so all we have to do is hold down the command button, and that control has been transferred from downstairs in the saloon up here up to the flybridge. We are still in warm-up mode with the yellow light flashing, which means we can actually rev the engines up. And there you go, you can see we're currently sitting at 1200 RPM on both engines and having a conversation really nicely. There are many reasons to choose the FPT product in terms of the product design, the fact they are always the latest technology out of Europe. They are a very quality and well-built product, and they are excellent value for money. So definitely consider FPT if you are looking to repower your marine vessel. Thanks very much for watching.